now as Dame Mary Berry knocks up a tempting sticky ginger cake with the help of our friend Adil Ray.
I don't know how I'm going to impress her. How do you impress Mary Berry? I mean, it's going to be an impossible task. I'm just going to listen intently and carefully and just do exactly as I'm told.